Hi, it's Logan from Sleepopolis, and I'm going to be doing a review of the Tochta mattress. Now these are customizable mattresses meant for use in RVs. I got the queen size version. It is a bed-in-a-box mattress, so the first thing I have to do before the review is get it out of the box and onto the frame, so let's get going. Alright, and that's it. As with any bed-in-a-box mattress, it's important to let it decompress for a little while before you actually sleep on it, so just stay on the lookout for my upcoming review.